Hello everyone, welcome to our channel KJ Technical Analysis. Today we learn about Firebase. What is Firebase? The Firebase real-time database lets you build rich, collaborative applications by allowing secure access to the database directly from client-side code. How does it work? Data is persisted locally, and even while offline, real-time events continue to fire, giving the end user a responsive experience. Firebase architecture is shown in this picture. Firebase hosting is shown in this picture. Firebase Database? The Firebase real-time database is a cloud-hosted NoSQL database that lets you store and sync data between your users in real time. How is data stored in Firebase? All Firebase real-time database data is stored as JSON objects. You can think of the database as a cloud-hosted JSON tree. Unlike a SQL database, there are no tables or records. When you add data to the JSON tree, it becomes a node in the existing JSON structure with an associated key. How do you connect to Firebase? Getting started with Firebase. Log into the Firebase console, then click Add Project. Select your existing Google Cloud project from the drop-down menu, then click Continue. Optional, enable Google Analytics for your project, then follow the prompts to select or create a Google Analytics account. Click Add Firebase. Build a serverless web app with Firebase as shown in NBSP, this NBSP picture. Some Firebase features as shown in this picture. Firebase Cloud Messaging System is understandable by this picture. By this picture, you can learn Firebase services. How using Firebase can help you earn more. Advantages of Firebase is shown in this picture. Thank you for watching.